This stainless steel water cup bottle is toddler approved and parent love. This is our second one. I just got the bigger version. We do have the smaller version of this, but as our kids getting a little older, drinks a little bit more out and about in higher warm weather months, so I got the bigger one, but I absolutely love it. It is leak proof. It keeps drinks cold for hours. It's just the perfect size for little hands as well. I love that it comes with this strap that he could just use and carry around, which he does love to do. Just gives him that little bit of responsibility. And the spout is easy to sip from, and the handles are just made very well. It is very durable, and so is this. Even if your toddler decides to throw it, it is PBA free, durable, dent resistant, which is so good because it does get dropped quite a bit outside, and it just stays cold all day. So I absolutely love it. Again, this is our second one in this one, and it's just great for parks, daycares, beaches, wherever you're going out and about. This always does come with us, and I just love it too. It has like this nice soft grip here, and it just great for everyday use.